Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix error. The preview could not be loaded in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see error 503. So we are going to fix it. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see setting and then you see permalink. So click on it. Now permalink setting open. So go to hosting and then delete .htaccess file and then open permalink setting and then click on save. So by clicking on save changes, .htaccess file generated again and your issue will be fixed. So there are multiple ways to fix this issue. Now setting saved. Another solution is scroll down on left side. You see setting and then you see general. So click on it. Now general setting open and scroll down you see WordPress address and site address will be same. So in your website check these both address will be same and your issue will be fixed. Another way is you will install your theme again. Now go to appearance and theme. Now theme section open and you will install theme again and your issue will be fixed. Now go to Elementor again and then you see can't edit, enable safe mode. If you want you can enable this button and you can follow procedure and you will fix this issue by increasing memory limit using wp-config.php file in hosting. Now go to hosting and we are in wp-config.php file. Now paste code. Now you see we added defined WP memory limit to 56 M and then click on save file. Now you see success message. File is saved. Now go to website again and refresh the page. Now you see Elementor loading after increasing memory limit using wp-config.php file. So there are multiple ways to fix this issue. So you can apply any method. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.